How does Chinese medicine prevent and treat disease? Chinese medicine sees nature and the body in terms of balance. In ancient China, doctors studied the world around them and saw connections between nature and specific organ systems. They developed these parallels as the five-element theory. The five elements are wood, fire, earth, metal, and water. Every individual has a predominant element. Knowing your dog's element can help us predict tendencies toward disease and explain behaviors. For example, our smaller dogs are often aligned with the fire element. We frequently see heart disease and inflammatory bowel disease in these dogs. Western medicine sees this as a breed trait. Chinese medicine sees them as their element predilection toward imbalance in these organs. We can explain behavior tendencies with the five-element theory as well. That shy dog may not have been abused. They could just be a water element. They tend toward shyness and are hesitant by nature, in the same way that child is shy about talking in class. Knowing a dog's element can help me as a veterinarian interact with my patients. I know I have to go very slow with the water dog. I have to respect the strong personality of the wood dog, like Brody here, and I can't ignore the extroverted fire dog. Chinese medicine also describes the concept of yin and yang in the body. The concept of yin and yang is a description of balance. Yang is the concept of upward and outward energy. It's light, it's warm, it's rising. Yin is the forces of rest. It's water, it's coolness and dark, moving downward. Yin deficiency is a common deficiency that occurs as we age. Any chronic inflammatory case likely has a yin deficiency as part or all of the pattern. Chinese medicine feeds towards a person's element to help them stay in balance to prevent disease. Specific foods go to specific organs and mitigate or promote forces in the body. Chicken is a qi tonic, for example, that can be used for sensitive stomachs. The common recommendation of chicken and rice makes sense from a Chinese medicine perspective because they are both qi tonics and go to the earth element. Beef is a blood tonic, great for dryness and senior patients. If we have a dog with a specific imbalance, we'll often feed that dog to correct that imbalance. For example, an older yin deficient dog can show signs of heat, such as allergies, inflammatory bowel disease, Cushing's syndrome, arthritis. For this imbalance of deficient heat, we would feed Qi Dog Fire diet as a cooling diet. Another way to use Chinese food therapy is to feed Qi Dog as the majority of the dog's meal and cook additional topper ingredients to treat an imbalance. Which food to top your dog's elemental meal can be directed by your Chinese medicine veterinarian.